In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zelle. Zelle is a fast way to send and request money directly between US bank accounts. It's built into many banking apps, and you can also use the Zelle app itself. I'll walk you through setting it up, sending money, and requesting money with clear tips to keep everything smooth and secure. To get started, download and open the Zelle app or open your bank's mobile app if it offers Zelle. Inside Zelle, search for your bank or credit union and select it from the list. You'll be prompted to sign in using your existing online banking username and password, just like you would for your bank's app. Next, review the terms and conditions and tap Agree to link your bank account. For security, you may be asked to verify your phone number or email address. Enter the code you received to confirm. Once you see that setup is complete, you're ready to send and receive money with Zelle. When you're ready to send money, open Zelle or your bank's mobile app and tap Send Money with Zelle. Choose Send Money. Pick a recipient from your contacts or type in their email address or US mobile number. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct person. Zelle transfers happen quickly and may not be reversible. Enter the amount you want to send, then tap Review. You can add an optional note describing the payment like dinner or utilities to help both of you remember what it's for. When everything looks right, swipe or tap Send to complete the transfer and confirm if your app prompts you. You and your recipient may receive notifications, and if the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle, money usually arrives in minutes. To request money, open Zelle or your bank's mobile app and tap Send Money with Zelle. Select Request Money. Choose the person you want to request funds from, then enter the amount. Tap Review and add an optional note such as June rent or concert tickets, so it's clear what the request covers. Swipe or tap Request. The person you requested from will receive the request and can send payment right from their app. After that, simply wait for the recipient to send the payment. You'll be notified when it arrives. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Only send money to people you know and trust. Double check recipient details and keep your contact info up to date so you receive alerts. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Zelle tips and tutorials.